We'll be changing the oil on a 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee WK with a 3.0 CRD diesel engine. Tools of the trade today are car amps or a floor jack, a 13mm socket and ratchet, a 10mm socket, a large oil filter band wrench, a pick or a flathead screwdriver, and an oil drain pan. For the oil, we'll be using 10 quarts of 5W30 full synthetic, drive it up car ramps, and turn the engine off. Remove the oil fill cap, remove the 10mm engine cover bolts, and remove the engine cover. Place the oil drain pan under the oil pan drain plug, and remove the 13mm drain plug to drain the oil. And remove the oil filter cap using our large oil filter band wrench, and remove the old oil filter. Let's go ahead and replace the 2 oil filter cap O-rings. Install the new oil filter, install the oil pan drain plug. Let's add 5 quarts of oil into the oil fill hole, add 5 quarts of oil into the oil filter housing to coat the bearings on that side of the engine. And then let's go ahead and install the oil filter, reinstall the engine cover and the oil fill cap. Thanks for watching everyone, hope this helps. Please subscribe to the channel.